Good afternoon. We're joining in with my favorite friends, Life with Patty and Kathy's Favorite Things for Tea Tuesday. So sorry I'm so late putting this up. You know, Grandma is always seemed like she's late. Today we are going to be doing a tea that is calming to the stomach, and it's ginger and peach herbal tea. Really a really good one. I really like it, and I do drink it quite a bit. It's a really wonderful tea. Give it a try. I think you'll like it, my dear friends. Don't forget to go check out the playlist and see what everyone has done for this Tea Tuesday today. Well, let's go see what Grandma's going to do. Today I'm going to share with you what I really love doing. I love doing flower arrangements, and I do them a lot. Even when I was doing just fairy gardens, I still did flower arrangements in some of my videos to decorate my fairy garden, even out in the garden, if you can believe it. So gardening has always been a love with me, and doing flower arrangement is also something else I love. So I hope you're going to enjoy today's video. I'm going to share with you one of my passions, doing flower arrangements on this Tea Tuesday today. Well, the total cost of this centerpiece was $13, so it wasn't too bad. I only had to buy the pair of rabbits there for $1.25, and I bought 5 of these at $2 each, so that came to 10. They were on sale. So we're talking about $12 or $13. Everything else I already had. The container I had, and all the carrots I had, and all the other flowers you saw in here were already things I had in an overflow bag for Easter. I thought it turned out pretty nice. Let me know what you thought. We can still decorate it a little bit nicer with a little bit of effort. And there it is. For just another $1 or $2, I have a little bit of candy and my 2 little bunny erasers that were left over from all my other shopping. So we're up to $14. So that still is not bad. It looks pretty cute. Let me know what you thought. What did you think about those 2 little rabbits popping out of my centerpiece? I thought they turned out super cute. I love the bunny pics. They're probably one of my favorite things that I bought. And of course, I loved these little eggs and bushes. Bought a lot of color and really enjoyed it. Like I said, we're talking under $15 for everything, because most of this I repurposed from the past. I bought the container at a yard sale, I'm sure like 5 years ago. The carrots were bought a year or 2 ago. They're not new. And I would have been buying some more, but I haven't been able to find any. So what do you think? What was your favorite on this? I was really amazed at what I was able to accomplish for a very small amount of money, and it's going to look great on the kitchen table or the cozy corner for Easter. Let me know what you think. You all know how much I love flowers and flower arrangements. So I thought I would share with you all the flower arrangements I have put together. This turned out so cute. What do you guys think? I know I showed you when I was putting it together yesterday, and here it is all finished. I had to put a few more flowers in it to make it to be a little fuller. But of course, you know, Grandma, she's always got more flowers somewhere in a bag. And here's one that I already did. Whoops, we're getting ourselves in the... So here are all our spring and Easter centerpieces that I put together. Hope you enjoyed all the beautiful flower arrangements I put together for Easter and spring. Lots of color, and these are some pretty big ones, and I have some smaller ones to share with you later. So keep hanging in there, guys. More flower arrangements coming your way this coming week. Let me know what you thought. Which was your favorite? Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy and Debbie. I think this was my favorite. I love the little bunnies popping out of the centerpiece. What do you think? I updated. I covered my stick. I noticed that it got moved somehow. Hope you enjoyed the little short video I made today on some of the flower arrangements I have made for spring and Easter. Hope to see you guys here again soon. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy and Debbie. Love you all so much. Thanks for joining in on Tea Tuesday. Love all the beautiful support you guys always give and all the wonderful comments also. Thank you so much for all your love and support. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy and Debbie. Love you all so much. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy and Debbie.